Now anyone can have a do-it-yourself Spark website. Now you can use your own domain name, use any hosting service, and your website can use up to 6 Adobe Spark pages. Simply download the Nerds DIY Spark website zip file and unzip it. Open the folder and select the configuration.xml file and open it using any standard text editor. Now here is the information that I'm going to use to create my website. And all you need to do is simply insert your information into the configuration file. First, you need to type the name that you would like displayed at the top of your website. I'll use Spark Photos. Next, we need to set up the menu. So simply type the names that you would like to use for each page on your website. Now you need to tell the website what Spark pages you would like to use for the website. So for this, you simply use the entire URL for your individual Spark pages. Simply copy and paste the entire URL into the available page sections within the configuration file. I know this is boring just watching me copy and paste, but I wanted to show you how quickly the entire process can be done in real time. You can have your new Spark website up and running and available for anyone to see in less than 10 minutes. Once you're done inserting your own information, simply save the file. Now you just need to upload your new website to your hosting service. Now I've opened up a browser window here, and I've set up a directory on my own domain name on my own hosting service, and there's just a single page in there saying nothing here yet. And all we need to do is using any FTP program that you have available. All you need to do is simply select all of the folders and files that are included in the folder that you downloaded from Nerds and upload them to your hosting service. Believe it or not, that's it. You're done. You now have a new website available for the world to see. Simply refresh the browser. All of the pages are now available, all of the Spark pages. My company name is inserted. All of my page names are being used on the menu that is now available to display and move between any of the 6 Adobe Spark pages that you want to use within the website. Of course, you can update any of the pages that are being used within your do-it-yourself Spark website by simply opening up your Adobe Spark page that you want to make a change to, make that change, and save it like you usually do. Any of your changes will immediately be displayed on your new website. And of course, your new website is completely mobile responsive, so it will look great on any device that views it.